Most people think they're broke because they just don't work hard enough. But that's not true. There are people grinding 10 to 12 hours a day, and they're still living paycheck to paycheck. And then there are others who don't even look like they're working that hard, but somehow they're stacking money in the background. So what's actually going on here? It's not effort. It's something most people completely miss. Let me ask you this real quick. If hard work automatically made you rich, then why are so many tired, stressed out people still broke? We've been told since day one, just work hard and you'll make it. But in real life, it doesn't play out like that. And once you see why, you can't unsee it. There are basically two types of effort: trading your time for money, building things that make money without you. Most people are stuck in the first one. They think more hours equals more income, more hustle equals more success. But there's a problem. There's a ceiling on your time. You only have so many hours in a day. Think about it like this. If you stop working tomorrow, your income stops too. That means your money depends on you showing up. Now compare that to someone building something like a YouTube channel, an online business, a digital product, a system that runs on its own. At the start, yeah, it's slow. That's exactly why most people quit. But over time, their work starts doing the heavy lifting for them. One video keeps getting views. One system keeps bringing in cash. One asset keeps paying them over and over. That's the real game. And here's the truth nobody likes to hear. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because your effort is going into stuff that doesn't scale. Every day, you're either trading time for money or consuming content without building anything. And the system rewards repetition, not random bursts of effort. That's why motivation doesn't last. The real shift happens when you stop asking, how do I work harder? And start asking, how do I build something that keeps paying me, even when I'm not working? That's the difference. Not overnight success, but direction. Most people hear this and still don't change anything. Not because they don't get it, but because starting something new feels slow and uncomfortable. So they go back to scrolling, learning planning, restarting again, and the cycle just repeats. If you feel like you're working hard but not getting anywhere, don't double your effort. Change where your effort is going, because at the end of the day, it's not about working harder. It's about building smarter. And if this hit you a little, you probably already know something needs to change. The only question is, are you actually going to do it?